Okay, so we have, let's see, it looks like what you did, okay, you made the square, you extruded it a solid. Yeah, you made it a solid, okay. And you split it. Oh, you split the surface, I see. See, so you did yeah, the edge projection, okay? And you did a lot of work to make these joints, okay? So I'm going to show you a different way, maybe easier way to make this. Okay, so what I did, I made a one here. I already configured the variables, right? So, you hit the blue panel, you hit add configuration, configuration variable. Let's put a hole size so we can have a hole in the front. Hole size, just add another one of these, right? Let's see, default is 4 millimeter on those, like the minimum 1, maximum, I don't know, 10 millimeters. Call that good. Okay, so now we've got another configuration over here, right? So what I did make was a width, a depth, a height, radius, thickness of your material, and now we have hole size. Okay. So, let's see. There we go. Let's take a look at this. So what I'm going to do, kind of start like yours did, right? So sketch from the top, and then I want to do a center point rectangle, right? There we go. And then this uses our width variable, so W, enter, enter. And this uses our depth variable, so D, enter, enter. Okay, and then we're going to call that good, and we'll open up our extrude. Yeah, do surface, not a solid. All right, make sure it's a surface here, right? It's like that, 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 that. Make it symmetric, because that makes life easier. Okay, and the depth will be the height. HE, there we go, enter, enter. All right, enter. Cool. So we got that, and now as I change these, right, I can make this 100. It's going to bring it in. 100, bring it in. Height, we'll make the height 80, a little taller, right? So really easy to modify, right? Okay. So I'm also going to turn off the plane geometry because it really annoys me. There we go. Okay. So now we need to split this up, right? So let's go to sketch. We're going to sketch onto this part right here. And let's see. I think we need a line. Let's see, from that point to that point. There we go. And call that good. Now we need to extrude it like that. Make this symmetric so it actually intersects. There we go. And then we'll do a split. So I'm going to select, let's see, we need a face. That face right here. I'm going to split it with this. And I don't want to keep the tool. Cool, yeah. Keep tool through? Yeah, let's see if it'll get rid of it. There we go, cool. All right, so now it's split there, right? So now we go to the sheet metal tool, okay? I'm going to select this, edges to bend. Let's see, I want to bend this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I can choose if these dimensions are inside or outside. I like to have them on the, let's see, there we go. Yeah, I like to have them on the outside. That way, like, I know I can fit it into, like, the slot they go in or whatever, right? Okay, and then the thickness, that's just T, enter, enter. And the radius, so R, enter, enter. Cool. Okay. And I think that's it here, right? So now, as I change the radius, right, run my scroll wheel, a little more radius here, right? Next thing we can do, I can either do it in here or in the sheet metal tool. I can put that circle, so I'm going to sketch on top of this here. And let's get a tool here, so little line, okay? Turn the construction off, put a circle right here, right in the center. And let's see, dimension tool. Let's make this hole size. Not height. H down. Enter, enter. Okay, there we go. So now to put a hole on there, right? And then we'll do this. Make it a solid. Select that. And remove. Perfect. Okay, that's cool. So now there'll be a hole in that. Perfect. Okay. Call that good. Close our sheet metal tool. And now we have a hole that pops up here. Very good. Okay. So from here, now all we need to do is create those joints, right? So what do you got here? So you got 1, 2, 3 with the little thing here. Okay. So let's see. So right now, this is all that we've done, right? We've done a sketch. We put that little split in there, and then we turn it into a sheet model, and then we've got this, right? So a lot less, much less processes to get the same thing. And then let's sketch on top of this here. Okay. So I want to project these curves. Okay. There we go. Got these 4. And then we're going to take this. We're just going to go across 1. See, 2. Let's see. So that's 2 actual fingers here. Okay. Let's see. Like this. Let's go all the way over here and hit that. Okay. So I want all these to be the same length. So I'm going to select this. Whoops. Oh man, I lost it all. That and that, and make them all equal to each other. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And then we use my circular pattern tool. Select all this stuff and move it off and back on so it actually locks to it. And make 4 of these. There we go. We'll call that good. Okay. And now, yep, it's filled in, so it's gray. Perfect. Okay. And then let's extrude it here. So I want to extrude this thing. I want it to go the other way. Oh, let's see. Trying to do that. Yeah, definitely not what we're trying to do. Okay. Oh, it's going to be difficult on us. Really? We hit that, and it's just going to pull those edges out? How rude. New, and it'll pull the edges out? There we go. Okay. That's what we want to see. Cool. Okay. So we type in T for thickness, enter, enter, and we want it to go the other way. Okay, looking good here. Cool. Intersecting with that. Then I'm going to mirror it on the top plane. So entities to mirror is this. Mirror plane is that top plane. That's why we made it symmetric earlier, right? Make it another new part. Call it good. Okay, so now we've got a full box, right? And then we're going to do a Boolean subtract. Okay, tools is this. Target is this. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to keep the tools. We'll call that good. Uh-oh, we lost the edges here. How do we lose the edge? Huh. Let's see how we lost the edge. Where's our... Let's see, still have the edge. Okay. We mirrored it. Still have the edge. We did a Boolean. And we lost the edge. How weird. So the sheet metal model didn't like that. Okay. Yeah. So let's see what happens when we do a remove on this. Okay. Let's do a remove. And it takes off that edge. How weird. Okay, well, let's see if we can work with that. Okay, so I'm going to extrude from here. Oh, yeah, that's easy to work with. Okay. Just got to fix it a little. Okay, which is add to the sheet metal. Oh, no, it doesn't like that at all. Okay. Really? Okay, well, let's see. How else would we do this? So let's go back to... see, I guess this sketch here. And we'll look at it from the top. Okay. So right now it's connected to this. And then this is also... Yeah, it's supposed to be blue, isn't it? Huh. Oh, but that's because it's based on that point. Okay. So we're going to sort of... Yeah, delete that line here. And then what is this connected to? Wonder if it's connected to all the others. Yeah, I might have to delete everything. Oh, yeah, it's a big mess. Okay. Top constraints. Let's start this over. Okay, for reals this time. So I'm going to project. Let's see, this this, this, and this, right? Okay. Then I'm going to come in a tiny bit, and then hit that, and then we'll see where. Okay, that's 1 tab, 2 tabs. Okay, come up, and then we're at 3 tabs. Okay, come up over here and hit this. Okay, so now I'm going to close the sheet metal. Now let's take this, 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 and this, and make them all equal. Okay, that way they're always equally spaced. Whoa. Okay, this and this are also equal. There we go, but they're also tiny, like a millimeter. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can work with that. And then we'll do a circular pattern of all this stuff. Okay, we want 4 of them. Oh, 4. There we go. Move it off and back on. Call that good. Hey, there we go. All right. So we're gonna, well, let's see, right? Let's see if that works. Hit that to mirror. Boolean. Let's see if it'll Boolean. Let's see, tools. And I think that's good. There we go. Sweet. Okay. So right after the bend. Perfect. Okay. So now last thing we need to do is put a hole in this so we can actually use it. So sketch on top of here. And let's put a 1 radius. So we'll do, let's see, a tangent arc. No, what was it? Center point. Center point, let's see, about right here to here. Then we'll make a line from here to here. Okay. Call that good. See, this and this will be concentric. There we go. Okay. See, this and this will be horizontal. This will be vertical. Let's see, where's our vertical? There it is. Okay. And now we'll do a circular pattern of these 2 things. 4 of them. Okay. Move it off and back on. There we go. And then we'll take this, this, and coincide those. There we go. And now we need to figure out how much smaller it is. So right here to here, I think I'll do, let's do thickness, enter times 2. So double the thickness will be that hole. And then let's extrude it and remove it. Sweet. So now we have a hole here, a hole to put a knob, right? Like all those knobs on Amazon for drawers are all 4 millimeters. So that'll fit any knob if we want one, right? And then, what else? Yeah, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make this like 150. Should rebuild it. Oh, stop it. You're going to rebuild it just fine. Oh, no. Oh, I see. But if I make this 150, I made a little bit of a boo-boo here in my design. Yep, that'll work. But this will not work. Okay. So what is it trying to do? Trying to make this 6 millimeters, but it can't? Yeah, it can. What's it whining about? That's funny. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's trying to put it in. Oh, there it goes. But it can still be T enter times 6. Oh, is the radius too small? Huh. Okay. Let's see, what is this? The thickness, the thick, right? I didn't change the thickness at all. Thickness is still 3. Why is it saying 18? Oh, I see, because I said times 6. Whoa, times 2. My bad. You can solve that sketch, you whiner. Okay. Let's bring this way out here. Oh. Boy, something's sticking to it. What's making it stick? There's 4 of those. Yeah, right? Okay, maybe from a different anchor we can do this. This to this is T enter times 2. Okay, different anchor point might be better. Okay, but we solved the issue of our mirror. Or not a mirror. We should have used a mirror, but instead I used a an array, a circular array. But I don't know. You could probably fix that if you wanted. So if I make it off at all, yep, ruins it. So right now they have to be the same. But yeah, so that's what I was thinking for your thing. So like really, it's you sketch, you split that front face, and then you sheet metal model it just once there, because the radius and all that stuff is inside the sheet metal, right? Thickness, radius, all that stuff is inside there. And then, yeah, you make that lid, right? Oh, what is 3? Oh, that's right. Three's the hole. There it is. 3's the hole for that sheet metal. Okay. And then, yeah, 4 is the top there, right? And then, yeah, 5. So I guess with that top piece, that's what would need to be fixed on the array. And then, yeah, because I'm using that circular array, which only works if both sides are the exact same. So, yeah, I guess, yeah, why don't I fix it right now? Don't have to be lazy all the time. Okay, we'll delete everything. Let's try this here. So we need to go like this, this. So yeah, I guess there's 1 tab. Okay, there's 2 tabs. Okay, and then there's 3 tabs. Comes down and connects. Okay, we got that. That's good. Okay, let's take this, copy sketch entities. Where's our copy? And then we'll paste. No, I'm just going to draw it again. I'm not going to reattach all those. Okay. That's me trying to be lazy, but actually making more work for myself. There's 1 tab on bottom, 2 tabs, and let's see. Yeah, okay. 3 tabs. There we go. There we go. Okay. And now we need to project this angle, this angle, this piece right here, this piece right here. Okay. Let's see. So this, and this are all going to be the same. So this is all equals. There we go. And we're going to make it like 1 again. Okay. There we go. Okay, now this. Oh, slippery finger there. There we go. This. And this are also equals. There we go. And now this is its own separate set of equal. So if it gets out of square, whoops. Okay. It has its own set of parameters that it can stick onto. And so we're going to do a mirror. See, we need to do the front and grab everything down here. There we go. And then we need to do another mirror. And from the right, go over here. There we go. Call that good. Did it work? Let's see. So we made it. Yep. Don't know why it doesn't see it's part 4, considering down here. Oh, missing part of extrude 4. Okay. Weird. There's that. We'll call that good. The boolean. See, we need, oops. See that and that. And the target is that. Okay. And keep the tools. Perfect. And last thing is sketch on top of this. Missing face. There's the face. Cool. Okay, I'll have to fix that too. Extrude out of this thing. Okay. And this is referring to this angle. Man, maybe if I detach to this, I wouldn't kill it. So different anchor, concentric. There we go. And we are from this point here. Let's see, not 6 millimeters. What's it called? So thick, enter, times 2. Enter. All right. Call that good. Let's take a look at this. All right. So now, if I change this to 120. Oh, is the top still goofy? Oh, because the top's another rotation. Okay. Boy, I made this all sorts of work for me. So if I delete this and this, nope, still doesn't want to fix it. Okay. Man, couldn't get away with being lazy. Okay, let's see. So, oh, that's still an anchor. Okay, we'll take that, and then we'll mirror it. Where's our mirror? There's our mirror. So from the right side, we'll mirror this. Okay, I'm gonna take a line and connect it here. There we go, and then I'm going to go mirror from the front side. There it is. These pieces. Cool. Call that good. Okay. Call that good. There we go. And we want that to be tangent to that. So there's our tangent. Take that and that. There's our tangent. Okay, so as I move this in and out, perfect. Okay. And then make sure to use one of these as an anchor. Okay, so this is T enter times 2. All right. Call that good. Gonna grab it. Oh, yes, it did grab it. Cool. Sweet. Okay. So if I make this 100, it's gonna work. It works. Sweet. It rebuilds. All right. Height of 50. Everything rebuilds just fine. Everything rebuilds just fine. Cool. And so now we right click, export as DXF, take that to the laser. Right click, export as DXF, take that to the laser. And then we open up our sheet metal and right click, export DXF of flat pattern. And then take that to the laser, open it in Lightburn and cut it out. Cool. And then pick up a knob from Amazon or Home Depot. And now I've got the cutest little drawer ever with bent corners. And we can figure out the inner radius right here. And oh, we might actually be able to heat it up, hit it with a torch, and just bend it around itself. Huh, what if we should puzzle piece this? I think that'll be a different video. But yeah, it'll wrap up in here. This will be the front, nice and pretty. Anyways, yeah, so that's my where are we at here? My 22-minute response to this box. This is a cool idea, and like you made it work. It's just yeah, lots of stuff going on here. When it seems like it could have, like you could have had the slot in there, you could have had the parameters up here, all sorts of stuff. So yeah. Anyways, hope you appreciate it. And I guess I'll share this too. Actually, let's hit share. Let's see. Let's make it public. Yeah, make public. You can copy, link, and export. Cool. Make public. Okay. Oh, it's all right. Link sharing, and they can export with it. Turn on link sharing. Copy. Cool. And then we'll let's see. Go to laser cutter on Seattle Makers. Hopefully, I'm still in. Maybe. Hey, there you are. Nice. Yeah, keep experimenting with OnShape. Like, it's a lot of fun. It's super powerful. And let's see. There we go. Let's see. This is my rebuttal to your design. Rebuttal? Is that how you spell rebuttal? I've never actually spelt rebuttal. Rebuttal? Rebuttal? I'm going to say response. Never used it online. Never actually typed it out, so not sure which one to use. This is my response to your design. Good job. Hopefully that comes off as positive. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.